Hi, thank you for joining TSL Total Life Wellness Ecamm Live Basics. This is an exciting journey. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. If you're all ready to jump into your free trial version of the Ecamm Live, then just go ahead. You see scan here for free trial right there where the arrow's pointing. Scan that QR code and you can get access to a free version of trying a free trial version for Ecamm Live Basics. So let's jump right in. We're looking at the Source tab today. We've already looked at the blank screen. If you have not looked at my video on the blank screen, please make sure you go back and review that video. So it all starts with a blank screen. From there, we're going to the camera option, which is what I'm on right now. Blank screen, quick review, is blank screen right there. All you see is plain black, nothing there on the screen is a blank screen. That was a quick review. Now, going to the camera scene. Let's go to back to my default scene here, and we'll go to the camera scene. Oh, camera source. That brings the camera in, just as you saw just happened. Whatever is your default camera, that's what it will bring in. You can have many different cameras actually plugged in to come in as virtual cameras with the Ecamm Live platform. When the camera option is clicked in the source button, you will see this come up right here. If you are on blank screen, you will not see that camera option come up. On camera option in the source button, you now have options with your camera. And as you see, there's several options here. So every camera that you have connected and ready to go will actually be in this area right here. This area can be moved. You can move this area all around. Oh, let's go back here. Didn't mean to click on that. And let's take you back out. Okay, you can move this particular area all around your screen. Wherever you feel comfortable using this, it does move, and you can place it wherever you would like. The cameras have pluses or minus buttons on it. If the camera is actually active at that particular point, there will not be a plus or minus button on that particular camera. Each square here represents the camera. Here you see I'm able to pull these cameras in. When I click plus, it brings it in the picture-in-picture. If I don't want to have the picture-in-picture option, then I simply push the minus button and it takes it completely out of the picture. If you don't want the picture option at all, you can click that and there is no picture-in-picture option. But let's say you want it to go picture-in-picture and you want both of them in at the same time. Then you simply have it like that and you have both in like that. Both have negative marks on them, negative signs. You can take them, either one of them, out at any given time. There's also a way that you can crop it if you would like to crop it, and you can just have that. But just say you want this picture. Say you have this camera and you're only wanting this view and you don't want anything else. You may have another person on that particular camera. Then you simply take your main camera out, and then you can speak directly to that camera, or the person that is actually on this camera can speak there. So this gives you a basic overview on bringing your camera option in. And back to the main screen. If you found value in this video, try out the free version. Again, scan right there on the free version. If that's a little small for you, then you have options. You can bring it. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't mention something. One thing I left out. I want to make sure you know this as well. Bringing that picture-in-picture option in. Oh, let's go back here. This is where the picture-in-picture option is. Make sure you have that clicked. You can move the picture all over the place and move it wherever you feel comfortable. There are also other options that you can do so many things with the Ecamm Live platform, but we won't go into that right now. We will simply stay on this particular basic. Just make sure you subscribe to keep up with more videos that I'm going to be coming out with for the Ecamm Live basics. Blow this up for you so you can get a bigger picture. If you need to blow that, there you go. Now see what fun you can have. Just scan this right here and it will give you straight access to the Ecamm Live trial version to see if this is actually for you. Thank you for joining. Let's get you back right where you were. See how much fun this can be. You can do so much with this Ecamm Live platform. Thank you for joining again. Make sure you subscribe so you can get notified of when I'm coming out with the next video. And I'll see you in the next video.